Websites have been the standard for decades, but that's starting to change. AI agents are beginning to replace how we interact online. Instead of clicking through pages, users can now just ask an AI agent and get exactly what they need: faster, simpler, more direct. Traditional websites are static, they show information. AI agents are dynamic, they understand, respond, and take action. Customer support is already moving to AI. Booking systems are becoming conversational. Even shopping is shifting toward AI assistance. AI agents are faster than browsing, they personalize results, and they automate tasks for users. That's why companies are adopting them. Websites are not disappearing overnight, but their role is changing. They're becoming the back end, while AI becomes the interface. This creates a new opportunity. Instead of building websites, people are starting to build AI agents that replace entire user experiences. The internet is shifting from website first to AI first interactions, and this change is just getting started. Most people haven't realized this yet, but this shift will impact almost every business online. If you want more practical cybersecurity insights, don't forget to subscribe.